Welcome to this video, and today we are going to walk through a simple and effective way to disable email notifications in the Strava app on your phone. This guide will help you reduce unwanted emails and keep your inbox clean. First, open the Strava app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom and tap on the U icon on the right side. Then, take a look at the upper part of the screen and tap the Settings icon. After that, scroll down until you find the Email Notifications option. Then, select the Strava Update section. Finally, choose the Off option to stop receiving those update emails and prevent them from appearing in your inbox. This simple change will ensure you only receive the messages you want from Strava and avoid unnecessary clutter. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others.